Right, what's up guys? So I have a quick update here on Bitcoin. Obviously it's not looking very bullish. I mean, bearish candles and bullish. So yeah, it's we broke below the range, and I think that's the most important thing to note here. So first, what I'd like to say is an obvious sign of strength would be a reclaim of the weekly 50 EMA at around 45k, and also an entrance back inside the previous range. That would obviously be very bullish. Now you see that you have the daily 20 EMA right here. Now the daily 20 EMA is approaching the range lows quite rapidly here, and it will come down and test this area, or at least this area, in the next, I don't know, two days probably, or even 1 day perhaps. So if that happens and price stays in this area, I would have to view a confirmation of strength being the reclaim of the daily 20 EMA, right? But honestly, like, what I'd like to see, like, that's just the first sign of strength, right? Reclaiming the 46 area right here, the range lows, that's the first sign of strength, right? But really what I'd like to see is a reclaim of both the daily 20 and the daily 50. So we have quite a lot of a bullish price action left before I'm ready to get back into Bitcoin. You can see here on the daily that we have a support area between let's say the 41k area and 45k area, which is obviously strong support, and this is the last line of defense right inside the high time frame long RLC. So if we lose this area, this trend is invalidated, right? And there's no daily bullish trend anymore. So that's the level we have to watch, right? And that's basically it. Just a quick update on Bitcoin. If we can get back inside the previous range and reclaim 46k, we're all good. All right, guys, that's it. Take care.